Hi guys, today the last topic I'll discuss is navigation, a little bit more about the VBA environment. Alright, so to open up the VBA environment, use this button. So just for reference, we're going to use this. We're going to record a macro. Okay, I'm going to name it, macro 1. I want to store it in this workbook. Name, date and time. Okay, so once I click OK, it's actually recording. So I go to the active cell is being referenced. I put equals now, and then tab. That's it. Okay, we're gonna stop recording. Alright, so we now have a sample macro. We can run it manually from here. Run. Okay. Let's see. Did I put in anything here? Let's see. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's go to that later. Okay, that's VB already. That's VBA, and these are macros. I think I can put in a edit. Okay, I think I can put in a button here. But anyway, let's remove this. Okay, so that's my macro. If I want to run it, I could just go to, I think, SF. Is it? Alt 8, Alt F8, and then I could run it from there. Okay. Right. So we now have an existing code. We can go through here. Right. What is this? Okay. So this is the VBA environment. If you want to open it up, you go to Excel, you click this button, or Alt F11, right? If you remember. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 major parts. That's very crucial to running Excel. Properties, window, of course, your standard toolbars, menu bar, you have your project toolbar, and your code window. Let's close out everything here. Okay. These are places where you can put your codes. Okay. A code can run from here that will get anything from Chrome or PowerPoint and place it here, or the same manner it can select item from within itself and export it to a different location, like to Excel or to a website, right? So this is a user form. A user form is something that you can insert. It's not by default inserted. A user form is like an interface. You're creating your own interface. Okay, so let's see. I can create a button here. Okay. Now when I click this button, what I want to do is it will run this date and time. We can do that. Okay, but we won't do that today. We'll discuss what these the navigation for this for Excel VBA. So menu bars, if you want to see any of your windows, you can do it here. You can arrange them. If you're missing any of the toolbars, you can go to view and check it from here. By default, the properties button is activated using the F4 button. Project VBA, I think, is Control R. Is that right? Control R. Yeah. Okay. So the Project Explorer window, you would have these by default. One code storage that's applicable for everywhere, or for every sheet that you create. Each sheet has its own properties and its own code storage. Each form has their own also. Modules and class modules have their own. Okay, you could create new ones or place ones here. If you want to change any of the properties of each sheet or each user form, you can change it from here. That's why this is very important. So for example, I'm creating 2 buttons and I want them to be exactly the same size. What you can do is you can go to here and change the width, right, and height. You can also go here. Okay, so I want them both to be 54 and aligned with each other. Okay, and the other one is, okay, 120. Okay, so they're exactly the same now. It should overlap. Okay, that's it. So they're exactly the same. That's why this is useful. I can also change their colors if I wanted, you know, this one to be blue and the other one to be the other one. Yeah, the other one I want it to be white. It's really up to you. You can do a lot of things with the user form. You can do it that when you open the file, it will become just like a web interface. It could happen like that. Yeah, so that's it. The properties is very important. Always use that. Of course, the highlight of this program is the code window. Here's where you announce your variables, create new objects or whatnot. Okay, you use this project window to import, export, create new, and you know, it's really up to you where I want to store the codes. Again, the forms and modules and the class modules you can export and import. These you can't, but you can do the file. Um, you can copy and paste the codes directly from one location to the other, just like that. Alright, so that's it for navigation. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.